The equation listed down below is the equation for the speed of a wave. So let's say there's a couple things we know about our wave. We know the distance between two peaks of the wave, and we also know how much time it takes to complete 2 cycles of our wave. As you can see, we've completed approximately 2 cycles in this amount of time. Now what we're trying to do is figure out the speed of this wave. The speed of the wave is the wavelength times frequency, and we actually have the wavelength right here. The wavelength is the distance between 2 peaks or between 2 troughs. And in this case, we have the distance between 2 peaks, so we can just go ahead and plug in that number for our wavelength. Frequency is the number of cycles per time of our wave. And as we mentioned before, this wave cycles 1 and 2 times in this given amount of time. So what we can do is we can plug in 2 for the number of cycles right there, and for our time we can just plug in this number right here. And evaluating this fraction, you should end up with 6.0 times 10 to the 14 hertz. And so if we plug this number in for our frequency in this equation, all you need to do is multiply these two values. And the value we end up with is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second, and that's the speed of this wave, which is actually approximately the speed of light.